everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, I'm very much sure that you must have watched my previous video. It was about tell me about yourself, and yes, no matter whether you're looking for engineering job, managerial job or anything else, HR questions are always going to be the same, isn't it? And these days we are focusing on HR interview questions. So yes, these questions are something which is common in every field. So tell me about yourself will always be there no matter what your discipline is, isn't it? So if you haven't watched it yet, then please go and watch my previous video first. That will surely help you and that will surely teach you something. And if you have already watched that video, then please give some feedback. I want to improve myself. So yes, feedback is very important. So today we are going to discuss one more common problem, and that is common question, and that is, what are your strengths and weaknesses? So be honest to yourself. We all are humans. We do have some strength, we do have some weakness. Even your interviewer, he has a lot of weaknesses and he know it. Even we know that he must have some weaknesses. He's a human, he's not a god. So you cannot find a man or a lady with no weakness at all or with no strength at all. We all have so many strengths and so many weaknesses. But when it comes to strength, okay, be honest, to impress your interviewer, we start like, I'm quick learner, I'm very flexible, I'm adaptable, I'm this, I'm that. We start like throwing so many strengths. That may be your strength, fine. But when it comes to weakness, what do we say? We are like two categories or like two type of people are there. First type, they will start singing like, I'm the best, I have no weakness at all. Do you think this is something which can be believed? I mean, if you cannot believe that a person will have no weakness at all, then the interviewer, how will he? He is dealing with so many freshers like us every day. Then how will he, or why will he? He knows that the person or the interviewee in front of him is nothing but a human. He will have some weakness. Then if he is singing like, I'm the best, it means he is not ready to accept his weakness, or maybe he doesn't know what his weaknesses are, or maybe he is someone who is not accepting his weaknesses. So everything is nothing but negative things, isn't it? And this will give negative impact on interviewer. And that is the worst thing you can do to yourself. And second type of people are like someone who present their strengths in the form of weakness, and this shows they are fake. I mean, some people are like, I'm so hardworking, that's why I'm not getting time for my personal life. My sweetheart, your problem or your weakness is not that you are hardworking. That is your strength. Your weakness is you don't know how to manage your time. No matter how busy you are, you know you have personal as well as professional life, and you have to balance it. No one else is going to do that for you. So if you are so hardworking and that's the reason you cannot get enough time for your personal life, then that's your weakness. Then hard work is not your problem. Your problem is you cannot manage your time. So if you can say this, if I can say this, then interviewer will always be more experienced, isn't it? So he understands that this person is nothing but a fake person. And trust me, no one likes fake people. No one likes dishonest people. So that will again give negative impact, isn't it? So please don't say like, don't present your strength in the form of weakness. You know you have some weaknesses and talk about them, na? So it's not like I have this weakness and I'm okay with it. No, you have weakness. If you know your weakness, then try to improve them. Then show what are the initiatives you are taking to improve your weaknesses. So two steps are there. First, to acknowledge your weakness or to know your weakness, and second step is like taking initiatives to improve them, isn't it? To improve yourself. Okay, so lots of gyan. Now get back to today's topic. What are the things which interviewer wants to know? Interviewer is interested in only two things. first thing, do you know your strengths? So, okay, so do you know your strengths so that you can have a focus on what you want to do or what you do? And the second thing, do you acknowledge your weakness so that you can work on improving them? Isn't it? So he is interested in only two things. Do you acknowledge your weakness or do you know your strength? That is it. So you should never fake this answer, but yes, you should answer smartly. Okay, so talk about strength first. Okay, so yes, anyone can say I'm flexible, I'm a quick learner, I'm hardworking, I'm smart worker, and so many things. Yes, anyone can say, not only you, anyone can say. But do you think if I start saying I'm a quick learner, I'm a quick learner, you will believe? No. Why will you? I'm not showing any proof or I'm not giving you evidence. So how will you or why will you? So even if you have only one strength, or like even if you found only one thing in you that you can call as strength, then you must have some reasons. Okay, so your answer should be like, being a quick learner, over the past 3 years I learned Java, Android, C++, Python as well as machine learning. I have done one project on each of these technologies, and yes, each project was a team one. So being a team lead, I understood that yes, I am a team player. So have you seen my answer? Yes, you are a quick learner, because yes, even if you are not a quick learner, you cannot learn 5 technologies in just 3 years. It means you are a quick learner. Not only quick learner, you are a determined person, you are a dedicated person. You showed, isn't it? Because you had some proof. Okay, and what are the proofs? Your proofs are your projects. So maybe your interviewer take it as a story and say, okay, you have done some projects, then explain your machine learning project, and if you have really done that project, then you will be able to explain, isn't it? And that will show, yes, this person is a quick learner, this person is honest, and so many other strengths will add on, isn't it? So this will give a positive impact. And you mentioned that all your projects are a team one and not an individual project. It means you're a team player, no matter whether you're a team lead or not. But yes, you're a team player, it showed. So yes, each and every line or each and every word is in support of your answer, and everything is giving a positive impact, isn't it? So this is all about strengths. You can talk about your flexibility, your adaptability, your like self-motivation, or anything you have. But please make sure you have a story or you have a reason in support of your answer, so that your interviewer can believe in you, isn't it? So okay, lots of talk about strengths. Let's get started with weaknesses. So weakness is something which we always try to hide, and I told you in the beginning of this video. So yes, how can you answer this? Sometimes I find it difficult to manage my time. To overcome this, I started using post-its, and I stick it on my laptop. I even organize my calendar so that I could manage my long-term as well as short-term goals. So have you seen, I said I don't know how to manage my time, isn't it? I said in like first line, but after that I said what are the initiatives I'm taking to improve my weakness. I'm using post-its, I stick it on my laptop, and yes, I open my laptop every day. And even if not open, if my post-its are stuck on my laptop, then I will understand what are my today's goal or what are my daily goals, isn't it? And if I manage my calendar, that is also the same thing. That is something which will say, yes, this is your long-term goal, this is your short-term goal. So here I'm showing that yes, I'm taking these initiatives to improve my weaknesses. So it's not like I'm hiding my weakness. I said what my weakness is, and yes, this is a weakness. But in support of that, I said yes, I'm doing these things to improve myself. And this showed that this person is seriously a genuine person. He knows what his weakness is, and now he is working on it, isn't it? So in this way, interviewer will surely be impressed. So try to be as honest as possible and give reasons in support of your answer. This is the best thing, trust me. And if you answer like this, you will be end up getting a job. So on this note, I'm wrapping up this video. So stay healthy, stay fit. Love you all. All the best for your future. Bye bye.